Hello there, this is Deborah, and I am back for another soap collaboration. This is a 2020 YouTube soap collaboration. The theme for this soap is called Wonderful Water. This is an international YouTube collaboration. Not all videos are going to be posted at the same time or the same day. In my situation, I was having some technical problems, but I'm here. Okay, I am doing the heat transfer method here today, and what that means is basically you don't have to heat your oils and your lye water at the same temperature to bring it pretty much even. So basically this technique, you just add your lye over into your water and stir it up really good, and then you're ready to pour it over into your oils and butters. Today I just basically put my hard oils in first, hard butters rather, and then I will add my soft oils in last. Thought I'd do it up a little different this time. A lot of soapers do it this way, so I thought I'd try it. It's always good to try something new here. Some of the criteria for making this soap: it consists of the color blue, 2 distinguished layers or more, but at least 2. A different technique for each layer. That could be in the pot swirl, a drop swirl, a hanging swirl. Renee left it up to us. The sky's the limit again. We have a wonderful host, Renee Comelis. She was the founder of this soap collaboration, and she is an amazing, sweet lady. Thank you, Renee. My camera is just moving, and it's my fault. I have a really small work area. I am working on an overhead to put the camera on, but right now the camera is right in between me. I don't know why I keep putting it right there. I'm thinking I'm getting the best picture. When I have it on the side, it doesn't seem to work too good. But I'm going to do better. I'm going to have it on the overhead pretty soon here, so please bear with me. I've added my heavy cream in there, so now I have added just a little bit of the kaolin clay. Some of the soapers use the kaolin clay a little bit different. They put a little bit of water in it for the different reasons because of the reaction of the kaolin clay, but I haven't had any trouble with it, so this seemed to be all right for me. I'm going to be using a fragrance oil by Candlesciene. It's called Black Sea. It will accelerate extremely fast, but I'm only going to use it in the areas that I need to firm up the soap really fast. I won't be using it in the areas that takes a little bit longer to work with. So hopefully I can pull it off. I did use it a few days ago and it accelerated really bad, but I was able to save the soap because it was only done as I was experimenting to see how the fragrance oil would work in the soap. So now I know. Also, one of the descriptions they gave at Candlesciene was to use it in the darker colors. So I did add some into one of the piping colors that's white, but that's okay. It's just a small amount and it's going to be all right. So I won't be talking through the whole video, but I will come back in and out of the video, and if I don't make it in and out, I will come back at the end for the cut of the soap. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you again for stopping by and watching the video. I hope you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to go over and check out the other soapers as well. And I do apologize about the camera that's moving. Hopefully I will get that straightened out soon. Thank you. Okay, here I am going to be adding a little bit of the black sea, and I'm using it at a small percentage because it really accelerated fast. But I'm going to be using it into my little the one design that I'm making here. I am tempting to make a couple of little what kind of scene would I say this is going to be? I'm thinking this is basically going to be like a little island or something. That's what I have in my head here. So we're going to see how this works out. When you're making soap and you're making designs, you really never know how it's going to turn out. I kind of had it on some paper, draw it out how I wanted this to look, but we shall see how it turns out. I'm going to, I won't be adding any fragrance oil into this white here. This is just, I don't know, as you can see, this is already, it has set up fast. So it's a good thing that I wasn't trying to use this for a swirl. It has already set up that fast. It's like when I first used it, before I turned my head, and before I could even get in the pot, it had already hardened up. So I kind of knew that I was going to do this style, and I could get away with it. Now, I will be putting some over into the white here, because I'm going to use it to pipe with, but I won't put that much because I don't want it so firm that I can't even pipe it. So I'm just going to put just a few drops here. It smells so amazing, it is worth using. You just got to know how to use it just right, because it accelerates really fast, but it smells so wonderful. I love this smell. One of the other soapers was talking about it and was saying how amazing it smelled. It can be used for a man or a woman. It's unisex there, so it's pretty good. It smells really nice. I love that smell, but it does accelerate fast, so you got to know where you want to put it and how fast you want to use it. I have some yellow here that's kind of turned orange, but it will turn back yellow. This is going to be part of the little landscaping that I'm attempting to do here. So we shall see how that goes. What I'm doing right now is kind of a two-phase here. I'm going to be doing in the pot swirl. So I have set the other design aside because it's already did what it needs to do. So I'm going to go ahead and add these colors to in the pot here. So I'll come back and talk to you a little bit more later. I don't think I added enough of the fragrance oil into the white because it's pretty runny. So we shall see how that turns out. But the yellow is doing good because it was supposed to be a thin layer. These are supposed to be like little flowers or something. um, I don't know if they will even show up with the other designs for what I'm doing. But I thought I'd try it to see if they would. Sometimes it depends on how you cut the soap in order to get to see their design. So we shall see how that works out. Like I said, I had this written down on paper in my head also how I wanted it. So far so good. We shall see. Okay here. Okay, and now I did add some fragrance oil into the green because I really needed it to harden up a little bit. But maybe not that hard. It's still pliable, but I can feel as I press down it's hardening really fast. So either I'm going to have like a little mountain or a little island or a little something or a hot mess. So I hope you stay tuned to see the outcome of this soap. Stay with me now. Okay, I will come back for the cut, so I won't be saying anything else. I will come back for the cut of the soap. Talk to you then. Well, I'm back, and everything has set up for 24 hours. I see a lot of yellow underneath the bottom. Well, we should cut this soap to see what we have here. You just never know what's going to be. It firmed up really nice, and I really like the blue. I like the colors. So we shall see how this first piece look here. Okay. Definitely not a mountain. There's definitely looks like maybe a little island there. Oh boy. I love the colors though. The colors are pretty nice. Thank you, Renee, for suggesting all these beautiful colors. Oh, that's pretty good. A little bit bigger island there. A lot of yellow under the bottom. That's where my little flowers and supposed to have been. But it's okay. I think this is going to still be a pretty soap. It's going to be alright. It smells awesome. I mean, I didn't use a lot of fragrance oil, just a little bit percentage, and it's just really kicking. It smells wonderful. Like I said, this soap can be used for either male or female. It smells really nice. I will put the notes, the fragrance, the scents in the description area so you can know what's in the soap, the smell. I use some really nice oils and butters. I use some shea butters, some rice bran oil. I use some avocado oil, some coconut oil, some olive oil, and it feels really good. It firmed up really nice. I think it's gonna hold the scent really good. Now I have made some other bars out of this same pattern pretty much for my website, which, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's going to be up. I've got it almost ready here, so it's going to be up really soon. Got a lot of new products and not a lot of new things to show you. So it's quite different. This is pretty different there. I just wish I knew how to draw some little palm trees or some little fish or something. Maybe I can come up with some little seashells or something to put in it so it's not so plain. But it is pretty. I like the water look. Now I'm cutting this a little different so I can see what if there's another design. A little bit bigger island. Maybe I should have cut it the long way at first to see. But you just never know. Oh yeah. It's a little bit bigger island there to draw on if I knew how to draw. Kind of like just a stick pencil. I draw stick people. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched it to the end, or if you watched it to the middle, or you just watched a little bit, I appreciate that. So thank you so much. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Stay safe out there. Bye now.